Welcome to Curious Baby TV.
Hi, kids. Let's learn about days of the week. So, kids, do you know how many days are there in a week? There are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. 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 Monday. 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 Tuesday. 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 Wednesday. 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 Thursday. 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 Friday. 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 Saturday. 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 Wow, great job, everyone. Let's say them one more time together. Sunday. Sunday. Monday. Tuesday. Wednesday. Thursday. Friday. Saturday. Thanks so much for learning with me today. I had a blast, and I hope you did too. And if you want, you can practice the days of the week at home.
Subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.